Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a button that whenever you hover your mouse over, it increases. First you want to go to the choose a sprite, then you're going to want to pick a button. Any button will do. I do really like these button 2, it does look really nice. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into the events and grab the when flag clicked button and the control for the forever loop. The when flag clicked button is whenever this gets clicked, it'll run the code underneath it, as you can see right here. The forever loop will loop whatever's inside this code forever. Then you're going to want to grab a loop, if then else loop, and you're going to want to put the touching mouse pointer up into the sensing tab. What that will basically do is if this first parameter is true, if the mouse is touching this, it will run the code underneath here. If not, then it'll run the code underneath the else block. For script 3, you're going to want to, and I'll talk a little bit more about this code, you're going to want to grab a few of these change size blocks. They're right here. Then the wait 0.1 seconds, which are under the control, and the wait until, which are also under the control. The change size by will change the size of the button. If it's a positive number, it'll increase. If negative number, it will decrease. Wait 0.1 seconds or a tenth of a second will pause and not do anything for that time. It'll then want to put one of the change size blocks there and another wait and then another change size. Then you want the wait until not touching mouse pointer will basically stop it, prevent it from looping forever and increasing the button size until it's not touching the mouse pointer. Then you want to grab a set size to 100, which is again in the looks right underneath the change size button, or sorry, no, change size block. You want to set the size to 100%, and basically what that will do is it will set the button size after you're done hovering over the button back to 100, and this is what it looks like. See, it'll increase them when you move your mouse away. It decreases back to its normal size. If you want a faster increase, you can change the numbers. Bigger increase, you can change the number. So if you want a faster one, see that one will get slightly bigger. If you want a smaller one, you can change the numbers down. I'll give you a smaller increase. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and know someone that would also find this video helpful, please share this with them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.